Hi, my name is Nikki Lee, and I am here presenting eScholar Solutions with my team, which comprises of myself, of course, Alicia Hawthorne, Brianna Bork, Alfonso Jackson, Ray Tennenty, and Colton Kennedy. As a team, we decided to combat or tackle the project of coming up with a solution for Northwestern's student base to have additional learning that was free, something that was easy to access, a non-complicated way to gain more information, find each other as groups to study for these things. And so we went with Microsoft Power Apps for our solution. I know this is a little bit different than some of the other groups. If you have been presented with this by any other project team. Of course, this solution is developed for the professor, the student, and the admin. As you will go through this with our team, each team will present a piece of the application. One of the focuses for myself to present to you was the design, that it was user-friendly, it was cohesive and unified, that if a professor logged in or a student logged in, the way they walked through the system was very easy, and its interface, you could understand it even without a manual. And if a student or a professor needed help, they could help each other because it functions the same way. It's all about ease of use. As I was doing the user interface design for this project. So, along with that, I also created a manual for our users. And we will take a look at this and how it is designed to help the users navigate the system. Of course, it comes with a table of contents to easily navigate through the user manual so that a professor doesn't have to just keep flipping to find where they need to be. Each section is designed so that the data flows as they would use the application. So of course, first when you open systems information, which is where we would always start, it shows what the administrator has access to, what the professor has access to, and what the student has access to. And for you as the owning user, you have login information for each one of the types of accesses to navigate through and test yourself. Also, right above that, you'll see that there is a link that you can use to go to the Power Apps directly from this screen. And then, of course, we'll run through just a little bit. Of course, it starts with administration, and it shows how they log in, their profile, how to reset their password, how to modify the accounts, how to modify a user account versus their own account or create new users, how to modify and access the course list, and how to create reports. And this again goes for most of our users. The professor and the student guide is a little bit different, but overall they access the system very similarly. Their main pages are the same. The recovery and password process is the same. They manage their courses the same. And then you'll see here how they can upload documents, and then they also have the ability to create students. Now these are just some of the items that we offer through our app. Of course, I'm just flipping through so you can see how we have laid out the information in the manual. But overall, our students, our professors, and the admins are able to access this information, this application easily, as the team will allude to as they continue the presentation.